Hey your lovely seeds, it's Zee here. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're into beauty, lifestyle, those kind of things, please hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified every time when I upload. So let's get to today's video. Today's video is about, if you haven't heard about this, I don't know, because it's been here for a long time. I wanted to try these a long time ago, but because back then I didn't have money to splurge in, so I had extra 20 rand, so I bought this at the Chinese or Japanese store around me. It's an eyelid tape. What it did, especially for people with hooded eyes, what it does, it creates a new a new crease. That is what it does. So right now I've been using this for a week. Every day after washing my face, I just put it in and then I leave it for the day, and then at night I remove it and wash my face, do my night care skin routine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. It's very difficult for me to put these on, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put them on camera. I'm going to try though. Let me just say I'm going to try. It's 120 eyelid tapes. This one, it's not double tape. There's the one with double tape, means that it's going to be a tape and another tape on top. This one is just tape under it. That's it, and then you have to put it very carefully. So there's 120 eyelid tapes. This one for me, this eyelid for me, it's not that bad, but this one, and you can see I have, do you see these, there's, I'm not sure you see perfectly because my eyelids are pretty oily. Do you see this? Because this, on top of it, it's a new crease that I'm creating. So yeah, it comes out in a paper like this. These ones, it's a large, there's a small, comes out in a paper like this. Yeah, you can see probably. Yeah, and then what you do, you use this. It comes out with this as well. You use this to pick up these tapes, right? Gonna do the first one. I'm gonna use a mirror, guys. I'm gonna use a small mirror, so probably, I'm not sure if you're gonna see purple. I just put where my crease is at. I start to put the tape where my crease is at. Do you see that, guys? Where's the, yeah. And then I try to smooth it out and then check. Do you see how easy that was? Let's check if the second one is gonna be this easy as well. Ooh, these tapes, they're very and then like you see here, that's my crease, and then what I do, you see those lines, I'm gonna just put it on the lines. And then I'm gonna take this, try to smooth it out, and then there you go. That's where my crease is going to be, my new crease, right, guys? Yeah, that's how easy it is. This is I think it's very useful for people with small eyelid, hooded lids, to create that crease that you want. See, in a week it has done wonders for me. I have a line, I have a new crease. I wanted to take it, this one to be more precisely like this one, because this one, it's more hooded than this one. So I need to take it to be like in the same par. So I'm gonna work bit by bit, because if I work too much, the thing is that this it won't fold where it's supposed to fold, right guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment on your thoughts, or if you would like to use these and what you think. Tune into the next video. See you in the next video. Zee really loves you.